In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pop-up forms in Hubspot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a pop-up that captures leads in a clean, professional way without overwhelming your visitors. Let's start right inside your Hubspot account. From the main navigation, move your mouse up to the top menu and hover over Marketing. In the drop-down that appears, look for Lead Capture and then click on CTAs. This is where you'll manage all your calls to action, including pop-up forms. Once you're on the CTAs page, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Create button. A panel or window will open where you can choose what type of CTA you want to build. Here, switch to the Pop-ups tab so Hubspot knows you're creating a pop-up style CTA instead of a regular button or banner. Next, you'll be asked to choose a format. Select the option called Pop-up Box. This is the classic center screen pop-up that most people are familiar with, and it's great for highlighting a key offer, newsletter sign-up, or lead magnet. After choosing Pop-up Box, Hubspot will take you into the editor so you can design and configure it. On the left side of the editor, you'll see different modules you can add. Look for the Form module. Click and drag that module into the pop-up layout area in the middle of your screen. Once you drop it in, your pop-up will now have a form placeholder that you can customize. Now it's time to configure the form itself. Click on that form area, and you'll be able to either select an existing form from your Hubspot Forms list or create a new one directly from this editor. If you already have a contact or newsletter form you like, choose that. If not, create a new form and set up your fields, making sure you only ask for information you truly need to keep completion rates high. With the form in place, you need to tell Hubspot when to show this pop-up. Click on the Targeting tab. Here, you can turn on an activation trigger. A common choice is Trigger on Exit Intent, which means the pop-up appears when someone moves their mouse to leave the page. This helps you capture leads without interrupting the browsing experience too early. When everything looks good, go to the Review and Publish section. Double-check your content, your trigger settings, and the form connection. If you're happy with it, click Publish Now. Your new Hubspot pop-up form is live and ready to start collecting leads on your site.